Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad 81BG. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue we're addressing today is that the screen on your Lenovo flops backwards on its own. This can happen due to a worn-out hinge or damaged components that support the screen. If left unattended, it can lead to more significant damage, making repairs more complex and costly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, some replacement hinges, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace and a soft cloth to protect your device. First, to open your Lenovo Ideapad 81BG safely, begin by turning the laptop off and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back panel. Be sure to keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious and work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Now that we have access to the internals, locate the hinges connected to the screen. These are usually found at either side of the screen assembly and secured with screws. Carefully unscrew the hinges using the Phillips screwdriver. Remember to apply gentle force to avoid stripping the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the hinges are removed, gently lift the screen away from the base. Disconnect any cables attached to the screen, being careful not to tug too hard, as this could damage the connectors. Now, take your new hinges and attach them to the screen, ensuring they align correctly with the screw holes. Secure them in place with the screws you removed earlier. Once everything is tightly fastened, reconnect the display cables, ensuring they are seated properly. To close the laptop, align the back cover and press it down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier and power on the device to check that the screen functions correctly and no longer flops. To prevent this issue from occurring again, avoid applying excessive pressure to the screen when opening or closing your laptop. Regularly check the hinges for any signs of wear and address minor issues before they become significant problems. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.